If your Hyundai Elantra backup camera is shaking or vibrating while you reverse, here is how to fix it fast. 85% of these camera issues are caused by simple mechanical vibration rather than electronic failure. Before you buy a replacement camera, let's determine if the problem is external or internal. Start by checking for loose trim pieces on the trunk lid that might be vibrating against the camera. Most Elantra owners find that the plastic clips holding the trunk garnish have simply become brittle or loose. Differentiate between a physical rattle and a digital signal flicker to save time on your repair. You can often fix the vibration with basic foam tape for pennies instead of buying a new camera. A DIY fix costs almost nothing, while a dealer replacement can easily exceed $300. Adding a small piece of weather stripping behind the camera is the most effective way to dampen vibration. You only need basic hand tools and some adhesive foam to get this job done in 20 minutes. Remember that vibrations are almost always mechanical, so check those mounting bolts first. Now your backup display should be rock solid. Subscribe for more practical Hyundai repair guides.